Hey guys, it's the Cubo here, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the YJ Touchless timer. This is my first unboxing and also my first timer. So now let's get started with the unboxing. Okay, inside we have some foam. We have a business card, and then of course the receipt, and we've got a Cubelelo stand, and then finally it's stuck. I guess I'll have to tear some. And we finally have the timer. Let's have a look at the box. The box just says YJ timer, and then something written in Chinese. So now let's open the timer. Wow, this is way smaller than I expected. This timer is so small, it can easily fit our pockets. It's got a strap, and we also got some instructions which is in Chinese, so that's not gonna help. Let's keep it aside. So the timer is very small, and it comes in blue, gray and yellow. I have the blue color version here, and it's got a smooth matte finish over here. It's got two switches two buttons over here and a toggle, and these are the infrared sensors, and a 2.5mm jack to connect it with your laptop. This timer is not included with batteries, so now let's put the batteries in, and let's put the batteries in. So now let's turn it on. So right now I've put in the batteries in the timer, and I've also tried it a couple of times, and it works very well. So what you got to do is you have to keep your hands close to the timer, and then when you lift it, the timer starts running, and there's also this faint green light which shows that the timer is running. And then you need to place your hands so that the timer stops. So let's try with the cube. I'll keep the cube here, and this is the reset button. Reset my times, and then I gotta keep it very close to the timer. That's one problem. Lift it, solve the cube, and place. So that's how the timer works. And this button is for saving the times, and it also shows your average of 12, average of 5, and average of 3. One problem with the timer is it's got this very loud and annoying beep. So you can switch it off by pressing the reset button for 3 seconds. So now as you can see, the loud beep is now turned off.
Several days later.
I've been trying this timer for a few days now, and I absolutely love it. This timer is amazing. It's pretty small and has a length of 77 millimeters, 66 millimeters wide, and 17 millimeters thick, which is perfect for carrying around. It can easily fit your pocket. Well, the size is a major advantage because this StackMat timers cannot be carried around as easily as this timer, and you don't even have to worry about timer resets, which is a major problem which has happened due to the StackMat timers. And in this timer, you don't even need to touch the timer, so you never have to worry about the problem of timer resets. This timer is available at Cubelelo.com for only 800 rupees. I think that's very cheap for such a good timer, as it comes in high quality, has a smooth matte finish which gives it a rubbery smooth feel, and also can be connected to a PC with this jack over here. So far I've faced no problems with this timer. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe if you already haven't, and also don't forget to like this video.